Yep, I just put it on. There we go. Another little Vermilion. There we go. Well, good morning. This is Fishing with Jay, or Fishing with the Amarols, however you want to call it. But this is my first video, starting a new YouTube channel, and this is the first one. Pretty exciting to be my first one, I'm out here by Bayou Chico, back there. Got the sunrise coming up right now, but it's my first time going offshore fishing. I got my buddy Drew, habitual angler. I looked him up on YouTube, but yeah, he's bringing his boat out, and then yeah, we're gonna hit the bay here for a little bit, hit the docks, try and see if we can't get on some reds, and then we're gonna head offshore, see if we can't get into something good out there. Bonita, some mingos, barracuda, try and maybe catch some bait and maybe get it on a grouper or something. So we got some rods out. I got my my Penn Fierce 4000. I got my Penn Fierce 5000, and then I don't know what I'm gonna bring yet. I got my Senator 6-aught, and then I got my Penn Battle 10,000. So not quite sure what I want to bring or use. I can only bring 3 rods. Cause my buddy JR, who is a Featherhead, look him up on YouTube, and yeah, he's coming out also. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see what we can do. See what kind of fish we can get into, and we go from there. Until then, tight lines. See you out there. Lost it. Got another one. Yep. There we go. Second red snapper. I had the one Vermilion. There we go. Big one. Yeah. He's all entangled up. Shit. Oh, this. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. There's a dolphin right there. Look at that. Right? That's all I need is a dolphin taking my... Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Get away, fucking dolphin. Look at that. Look at the dolphin right there. Right up against the boat. You see it? Okay, look at that. Yeah, he's sitting right here. Chilling. Look at that big dog. got the dolphins out here playing with us too. They're out here swimming around. Hopefully they don't get after our bait. See it right there in the water here, about to come up right now. Look at it right here. Woo! Awesome. Big ass fucking toadfish. Fuck. Shit, I need somewhere to fucking run this line. Nah, D-hook his dumb ass. Alright, hooked up on a jack here. Oh shit. I mean, it ain't gonna go nowhere. I got plenty of line. Oh, there it goes. He took everything. Yeah, he took everything. Let's see where he broke off, though. Did you break off at the Unity to Uni? Oh, shit. I don't know. Your line's over here, and I'm probably going to get tangled up on it. I don't know. It's not fighting like a jack. Right? No, it's a different one. Yep. He's foul, look, but he's dead. You hold on to him really quick. Nope, spit it out. You spit it out. Nope, spit it. Oh, don't worry. Nope, you spit it out. He spit it. Damn it. I think it's foul hooked, whatever it is. Another grouper. All up in his line yet again. Jesus. Put this reel away. Put this reel away. You're done. You're done. Hooked up here. Yep. Oh yeah, he's coming up now. might be wrapped up in your line. Icy color. Oh! No, I think it broke off on the lines there. Son of a... I don't think this is jack. No. I got color, but it's not pulling like a jack. Yeah. Another one. So this is a, what kind of jack? Almaco. Oh yeah. Shit. Stay away from me, featherhead. Woo! There we go. Alright, y'all, I'm a little late. It's the next day after the offshore fishing excursion, which happened to be a blast. First time offshore, it was more than what I had expected. You know, we caught roughly over 30 fish, everything from vermilion snapper, red snapper, toadfish, almacore jack, to amberjack. Oh, the list goes on. A couple gag groupers. It was so much fun, so much fun. I can't wait to get back out there. Again, I want to give a huge shout out. Go look him up, Habitual Angler. The man came through. We hopped on his boat. He took us out, and I couldn't ask for anything more. It was an absolute blast. Also, go check out Featherhead. A lot of good fun. So once I get all this stuff put together, it's going to look good. Other than that, I'll see you out there. Tight lines.